In today's video, I will teach you how to crop images automatically using AI. Let's get started. Cropping is one of the simplest but most powerful ways to improve an image. It helps you remove distractions, highlight the subject, and create better compositions. Normally, cropping requires manual work in an editing app, adjusting sliders, dragging corners, and making sure proportions are right. But with AI-powered tools in ChatGPT, you can crop images automatically just by typing what you want. You can start by opening your browser and going to ChatGPT. Then sign in or create a free account if you don't already have one. Now in the chat box, click the plus icon, then select Create Image to activate the image editing mode. Now click the plus icon again and choose Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl U on Windows or Command U on Mac, then select the photo that you want to crop from your computer. Now it's time to tell AI how you want the image cropped. And make sure to be specific about the aspect ratio, for example 1:1, 16:9, or 4:3, as well as the subject placement, like center of the face, keeping the whole object, crop out the background, and also include the purpose, whether it's for social media, profile picture, or product photo. And to generate the cropped image, hit enter and let the AI process your request. And in a few seconds, you'll see your cropped image. If the first crop isn't quite right, click on the generated image and type in adjustments, then enter the prompt again. Now hover over your final cropped image, then click download to save it to your computer, or click share to post it directly to your social media. Now here are some tips for beginners. With just a few clicks and the right prompt, you can automatically crop any image using AI, saving time while ensuring your photos look polished and perfectly framed for any purpose. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.